Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to
Me and him, not to interrupt, but
and her are going to play a game on Roblox. What is this capybara? Bro's fat as a... Bro's as big as the sun. When God said, like when he said like make light, he had to ask this capybara to move out of the way. Build a I want to play collect the keycap. I don't know. I love games. I'm trying to play this. Because I don't want to. Whoa. That what? How much keycaps do I need? Well, 5? 15. Oh, $5, $8, $60, 1 in 500. And then the wood ones. And then this wild ones, which I have no idea what they are. So yeah, this is my first time playing this game, but I already like it since, yeah, I don't know.
And I'm playing 99 nights.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah, I might want to get some rock speed. 3,000? Well, at least I'm faster than
I've survived like 34 days.
34?
Yeah.
Nope. Bruh, can you like expand your things? Cause, wow, gold keycaps, $3 though. $3, $10 isn't bad. I have one of those. Noobs are like good ones. Cats. Cat ones. Variant. Oh, not. I mean, it still makes good money, but not the best money. $5. $18. Nice. So, yeah. Upgrades. More luck. I need more luck because my luck sucks. Hey, that rhymed. Buy walk speed. Buy this, whatever this is. I have no idea what it is. Keycap respawn. 10 seconds to 8 seconds. So mine is 10 seconds right now. Oh, yeah. 6. But I have. Oh. Never mind. I guess. I make money just off of doing this. Nice. Oh. Didn't know that they like fell down. So yeah. Ooh. What kind of things are still the same? 348 gaps normal? Wow. Yes, I can craft keycap. Wait, which new keycap did I get? Variant wood. Oh, nice. That's cool. Kind of. Craft. How much money? $11,000. Eh. What is that? Like cardboard? 2.4 million? I'm gonna create. Oh, what's a red noob? Oh, very. Oh, Piper! Look what I just got. It's a 1 in 12,000. 12,500. And it makes $90. See what? So $12. Oh, wait, not that. $12. Oh, I have noobs now. Forgot. Bye. Glowing keycap, cat, classic. Oh, classic. Classic is. Oh, I have 5 classic. Nice, brother. So 8. Nice. Oh yeah, I can just equip best on this. Whew. Well, yeah, I'm not gonna do that yet, probably. Wait, what is this? Wait, what one was that? Wait, variant. Oh, 81 in that 1,000? Nice, $18. I just like it more since that's 100. This is a 1 in 1,000. Is it time for me to get like new upgrades?
Probably.
Okay. 25, 75 for more luck. Brother. But I have 3,000 instead of 1,500. I have no idea. Oh, I can sew my keycaps. Wait. So the ones that I'm not using. Nice. Now my inventory is full. Or not full. What are these? Well, just walking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. They don't have some pumpkin pie and look a Christmas caroling. Flaming wood. That's nice. A crepest. Nice, bro. Wait. Oh, I got a hamburger. A 1 in 5,000, 1 in 1,500, and it makes the most. Nice. My goodness. Noob. Noobini pizzanini. Wow. Whew. Oh, what is that new cap? Very cat. Gold weld. Oh, that's probably the new one. Wait, what do I just equip best? Equip best? Nice. Huh. Oh, 7. Imagine if I had a 6. 6, 7, 6, 7. Like 6, 7, 67. How did bro get a squid? How did bro get a flaming burger? Caps. Keycaps, keycaps. Ooh, sand ones? Oh, those are just the wood ones. They look like sand to me. It's probably just like the gold. Oh, nice. The 1 in 10,000 makes less than the noob. I mean, I have a 1 in 12,000. So it's not really that bad. Ooh, I thought it was 6 since it was upside down. I was about to say 6 up, and I was about to say 6, 7. Whew. How should I better look? Ooh, what new keycap would I get? Classic over. Oh, probably that one. Oh, another flaming wood. Oh, I'm just gonna quit best. Craft group. Oh, I thought that was mine. Which one is mine? Oh, right here. I have flaming now. 2 flamings. 12,000? Just like this noob right here? Nice. Why don't I just buy the max award?